Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto on Binance. Start by setting up your Binance account, which is a straightforward process. You'll need to complete identity verification, also known as Know Your Customer or KYC, to ensure security and comply with regulations. This typically involves providing a government-issued ID and a selfie. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection on your account. Once your account is ready, the next step is to fund it. Binance offers several deposit methods, including bank transfers, credit or debit card payments, and even third-party payment services. For some, peer-to-peer or P2P, trading can be a great option to buy crypto directly from other users. Always check which fiat currencies and payment methods are supported in your specific location. Now for the exciting part, making your first crypto purchase. Head over to the Buy Crypto section on the Binance platform. You can choose from hundreds of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Simply enter the amount you wish to spend or the amount of crypto you want to receive. Carefully review all the transaction details, including fees, before confirming your order. Keeping your crypto secure is paramount. Consider moving larger holdings to a cold wallet for offline storage, while a hot wallet is convenient for active trading. Always be vigilant against phishing attempts, double-check URLs, and never share your private keys. Regularly review your transaction history and account activity to spot any unauthorized movements. Stay safe and trade smart.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.